Meanie Melody Kids.
We were playing all day long, laughing, singing, feeling strong. Blocks and bears all over the floor, so many toys and maybe more. When the music starts to play, we know just what to do today. Little hands, let's help each other. Cleaning up is fun together. Clean up nice and slow. Put the toys where they should go. Boxes here and baskets there, working as a happy pair. Clean up one by one. Look around, we're almost done. Everything is in its place. Big proud smiles on every face. All done now, great job, hooray! High five, friends. You saved the day.